Dead in there. Good girl. Dead. Hunt dead. Right there. Dead in there. Dead in here. Here's bird feathers. Hunt dead. Nelly. Dead over here. What you got? Bring here. Dead. Nelly. Nelly. Come here. Nelly. Dead. Dead. Get that bird. Get that bird. Good girl. Where'd you find it? Whoa. Right here. Hey. Whoa. Nelly. Nelly. Bring it here. Did you drop that bird? Hey. Whoa. You did drop it. I stepped on it. Here. They run all the way up here. And them birds in here. Pretty dog work. That's great. You can't hit shit. You cannot hit shit. Gets the whiff. It's a lot more than that. Good girl. Good girl. Dead right there. Dead. Missed her. Ran right over her. They're scattered out in here. There were some birds in here. Dead right there, dead. Find that dead bird. Good girl, right here. Nelly, come on. Hurry up, Nelly. Bring her here. Come on. Bring me that bird. Good girl. Come on. Bring him here. Come on. Hurry. Oh, you don't like to fetch. Come here. In here. Nice shot, Greg. Good girl. Find that bird. Wow, the whole covey. You make it followed up with a bad shot. Alright, dead in there. What you got? Dead. Get that bird. Good girl. Whoa. Good girl. Bring him here. Bring him here. Get that bird. Good girl. Come here. Bring him here. Hurry. Bring him here. Come on. Quit chewing on him. No chew. Good girl. Good gosh. Okay. Yep. Glad to see I'm not just feeding them all the time. Glad to see we got some birds again.